Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or on the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Personality segment, we spoke about the 4 forms of prayer that constitute expressive prayer. Prayer suitable for heart-centered Enneagram types, namely Type 2 helper, caregiver, Type 3 achiever, performer, Type 4 individualist, romantic. In this episode, we analyze the role of music in the practice of expressive prayer, the heart-centered prayer suitable for heart-centered Enneagram types, namely types 2, 3, and 4. Music holds a profound place in expressive prayer. Here is how music or singing plays a role in the expressive prayer and worship of God through expressive prayer. Firstly, music serves as a powerful medium to connect with God and to enhance spiritual experience. Music is a gift from God and an integral part of the creative order. Of all the musical instruments that are used in expressive prayer, the human voice has the priority. Singing God's praises is a ministry that belongs to the whole people of God. Of all art forms, singing is the most suitable for expressive worship. The purpose of music and singing in expressive prayer is glorification of God and edification of people. The power of music to evoke emotions, if rightly used, is vital and moving aid to expressive prayer. Secondly, music allows worshippers to articulate their deepest spiritual experiences, transcending the limits of verbal expression. It provides a channel for expressing devotion, gratitude, and reverence. The language of music is universal, breaking cultural and linguistic barriers. Music creates a sense of inclusivity. It makes us involved in prayer, bonds us emotionally with God and others, serves as the icebreaker, unifies us in prayer, enriches our worship of God, serves as the sign leading us through worship, and help us to take delight in the Lord. Likewise, music instructs us in the good news, facilitates divine connection, helps us to express our love and devotion to God, assists in fulfilling the divine mandate, fosters unity through collective participation, and enhances ritual and ceremonies such as weddings, funerals, religious professions, and the like. Thirdly, shared musical experiences in worship fosters unity among believers. It strengthens the community and creates deeper relationship among community members. It enhances greater emotional engagements among members, thereby facilitates community building. Fourthly, the focus of liturgical music is communal participation in worship rather than mere musical performance. This calls for the congregation joining either the cantor or the choir in singing during liturgical services. The singing human voice is prioritized over musical instruments. The playing of musical instruments is aimed at supporting the congregational singing during liturgical celebrations. Fifthly, since the church community includes people of various cultures and races, the church has access to a wide variety of music, reflecting the diversity of God's creation. This diversity of liturgical music is celebrated and welcomed as it brings different expressions and cultural richness into the practice of worship. Sixthly, church's liturgical music has the power to uplift and inspire the hearts of the faithful. Through music, the worshippers find emotional connection and support from God and others, which can be especially moving during time of joy or sorrow. Thus, music in worship is not about singing songs. It is about engaging with God and each other in a profound and communal way. Praying with music is a form of expressive prayer and a spiritual practice that resonates with the heart and soul, creating an atmosphere wherein the sacred and the human meet. Heart-centered Enneagram types, namely helpers, achievers, and individualists, can reap spiritual benefit by using musical singing as they open their hearts to God in diverse forms of expressive prayer. In the next episode, we will consider a few tips to practice expressive prayer effectively. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.